Tired of chasing payments and drowning in paperwork? Let's transform that chaos into a streamlined invoicing system using WaveApps. First, head over to WaveApps and log into your account once you're in. On the left-hand menu, click on Sales and then choose Invoices. This takes you to your invoice management area. Now click the Create Invoice button. This will open a new blank invoice ready for you to populate with your client and service information. Let's start with your client. Click in the Customer field and either select an existing customer from the drop-down menu or click the Add a New Customer option to create a new customer profile. Be sure to enter their full name, email address, and any other relevant contact details. Next, add the details of the products or services you're billing for in the item column. You can select a pre-existing product or service from your list, or you can add a new one by typing it in, then enter the quantity and price for each item. If applicable, apply sales tax to your invoice. Click in the tax column next to each line item and select the appropriate tax rate. WaveApps will automatically calculate the tax amount for you. Want to give your invoice a professional touch? Click the Customize button at the top of the screen here. You can choose from different invoice templates, upload your logo, and change the colors to match your brand. Once you're happy with the invoice, review all the details one last time, then click the Send button. You can either send the invoice directly from WaveApps via email, or you can download it as a PDF and send it manually. WaveApps will track the invoice status, letting you know when it's been viewed and paid, and that's it. You've successfully created and sent an invoice using WaveApps. Happy invoicing!